This is a tutorial on how to do the I-cord bind off. To begin, we need to cast on 3 stitches at the end or the beginning of the cast off. And I am simply going to cast on like so. Next, we're going to knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then on the third, I'm going to make 1 decrease using the SSK or slip slip knit. So here is the slip, second slip, and then knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. So 1 stitch has been casted off. Slide the 3 stitches on your right needle back onto your left, and then repeat knit 1, knit 2, and then an SSK, slip, slip, knit. Here we go. And again, return 3 stitches to the left needle, knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, and in case you need a review on how to do a slip slip knit, you insert the right hand needle knitwise into the next stitch and let it go. Same thing for the second one. Insert your left needle into the front of those 2 slip stitches and then knit them together through the back loop. Return the 3 stitches back to your left needle and then do that again. Knit 1, knit 2, and here's the SSK again. Slip, slip the second one also knitwise, and then insert the left needle in front of the 2 just slipped stitches. So now that your right needle is situated as if it's through the back loop, which it actually is through the back loop of those 2 stitches, and then you knit them together like so. So you keep repeating these steps until you have 3 stitches on your needle. We have 4 stitches, so we're going to do this one more time. Knit 1, knit 2, and then S, S, K. And now we have 3 stitches on our needle. Return those 3 stitches to the left needle, and then do a SSK, slip, slip, knit, and then knit 1. Finally, slip the last 2 stitches back onto the left needle and do the final SSK. Slip, slip, knit. And then you will cut your working yarn, leaving sufficient length to weave in the end, and so that you don't lose your stitches. And that is how you work an I-cord bind off.